Hi everybody, I am Shailla, the author of The Washing Machine and also the founder of CoolWorldStuff. The CoolWorldStuff, in case you have read the description, is about sharing cool stuff from the world. And I am making this special video to share the exciting news. I'll be posting plenty more videos, so make sure you subscribe. I'll be posting videos every Mondays and Fridays, and if you have watched my videos, I love making point of view videos. I love the sharing with people the perspective of real life, and I know that we live in a culture that's all about TikTok, chop, 5 seconds finished. Particularly, that's not my style. I like to connect with things, and I think those things too fast, a bit disconnected. You barely saw. It's all about getting hits and numbers. I don't know, that's not how I operate. I like to connect with people, and I like life experiences, real life experiences, and I love the concept of point of view. If you're traveling, you get to see what a place really looks like, without bullshit, just like what it is. So if you're planning to go somewhere, you see, oh, this is what it looks like. That's how people wear. So I know what the weather's like, or the streets, and you know how to pack for the travel, know how to expect the food you're going to eat. So I love food. I love planning for the food. So I'll be sharing plenty more videos here at CoolWorldStuff, and make sure you subscribe. And also, oh, by the way, happy Easter! It's Easter today in Australia. If you watch this today, otherwise happy day. If you don't celebrate Easter, again, happy Sunday, happy everything. I love Easter, the concept of like the resurrection. I love when we are reminded of that, and in reality, life, we can resurrect every moment. Every moment's an opportunity to leave the past behind and start again. But today is like official, I love that, and that inspired me to make this video today, sharing about these new starts, new things. And I'll be doing make sure I post every week. Sometimes I post every day. I had a phase I was posting every day when I was traveling. I was sharing videos every day, and then of course, when you come back from travel, we have to solve problems and more stuff in real life. And of course, I've been working on a washing machine, so there are times I could post, and then times I couldn't because the book have been the priority the past 2 years. So but I'll be posting more stuff. I post every Mondays and Fridays, so make sure you subscribe to Shailla.com. I'll be sharing stories of the washing machine, about the making of it and what's happening, all the milestones, a little bit of the story, a little bit of everything, so make sure you subscribe, and subscribe to the washing machine channel as well. I'm going to share something very special there as well, so make sure you subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna go now eat some chocolates, treat myself, and just enjoy life. That's the message for now. Enjoy. I'm here at the Botanical Gardens in Melbourne. There's a gorgeous, massive tree behind me. I love trees. It's so important to be connected to nature. So, do yourself a favor. Make sure you go and hug a tree at least once a week. It's just, it's so good. Nature is the most beautiful, powerful thing. So make sure you always stay connected to nature, and so I am here to help to remind of these beautiful things sometimes we forget. Have a wonderful week. Have a wonderful week. Ciao.